Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can.
In today's Economics in Action, we are looking at a news story involving Boeing slashing 17,000 jobs amidst strike and delayed aircraft delivery. Boeing is facing a turbulent period as it announced plans to cut 17,000 jobs, or the equivalent of 10% of its global workforce, in response to financial challenges worsened by a month-long strike. The strike, involving 33,000 workers from its US West Coast facilities, has led to the suspension of production on key models, including the 737 MAX and 777 jets. The job cuts will impact employees across the organisation, from executives to factory workers, as Boeing tries to align its workforce with financial realities. CEO Kelly Ortberg describes the layoffs as essential to recalibrating the company's priorities and sustaining its business. Boeing also revealed that the first deliveries of its highly anticipated 777X jet will be delayed until 2026, exacerbating concerns from stakeholders. The company recorded $5 billion in losses and anticipates ongoing cash burn, though better than initial projections. As Boeing struggles with labour disputes, it also faces intense pressure from investors. Analysts warned that unless the strike ends soon, the company could face even steeper challenges. In addition, Boeing has filed charges against the Machinists Union, accusing them of bargaining in bad faith, signalling that the resolution may not come quickly. This story underscores the complex relationship between corporate strategy, labour relations, and economic outcomes, revealing how decisions taken during crises can have far-reaching implications for workers, management, and shareholders. Okay, now it's time to think like an economist. Firstly, define the term stakeholder. Secondly, analyze the impact of delaying the 777X jet delivery on customers and investors. Thirdly, discuss whether Boeing's decision to downsize is beneficial for long-term business sustainability. Okay, firstly, define the term stakeholder. A stakeholder is an individual, group, or entity that has an interest or is affected by the operations, decisions, or outcomes of an organization. Stakeholders can include internal parties like employees, managers, and shareholders, as well as external parties such as customers, suppliers, investors, governments, and the broader community. Each stakeholder has a vested interest in how the company performs and may be impacted by its policies, strategies, and financial health. Secondly, let's analyze the impact of delaying the 777X jet deliveries on customers and investors. Firstly, customers. The delay in the 777X jet delivery could have significant repercussions for Boeing's airline customers. Airlines typically plan their fleet expansion or replacement schedules around the expected delivery of a new aircraft. A delay may force them to either extend the use of older, less efficient planes, or turn to competitors like Airbus to meet their operational needs. This could also harm customer relationships and lead to lost future business opportunities, particularly if airlines perceive Boeing as unreliable in meeting deadlines. Secondly, investors. For investors, the delay signals continued uncertainty in Boeing's financial and operational performance. Delaying the 777X, a key product in Boeing's portfolio, pushes back potential revenue streams and could cause investors to lower their future earning expectations. This may lead to decreased stock prices, reduced investor confidence, and an overall negative impact on market capitalization. Additionally, with Boeing already suffering losses, this delay can exacerbate concerns about the company's cash flow, raising doubts about the ability to recover in the short term. Lastly, let's discuss whether Boeing's decision to downsize is beneficial for long-term business sustainability. Boeing's decision to downsize may provide both short-term relief and long-term challenges for the company. Firstly, let's look at the potential benefits. Firstly, cost reduction. Downsizing, especially when coupled with financial losses and ongoing cash burn, can help Boeing lower its operational costs. Cutting 17,000 jobs will reduce expenses related to wages and benefits, freeing up cash that can be redirected towards stabilizing the business or funding critical areas like product development and debt repayment. Secondly, a recalibration. The layoffs can help Boeing realign its workforce with its current demand for its products. Given the production suspension on key models and delayed 777X deliveries, fewer employees may be needed to meet the company's short-term production goals. Secondly, let's look at the potential risks. Firstly, the loss of talent. Downsizing may lead to the loss of valuable expertise, particularly if long-tenured employees or skilled workers are laid off. This could hinder Boeing's ability to ramp up production quickly once the strike is resolved and demand increases. Rebuilding a talented workforce may take time and resources, potentially delaying future projects and innovation. Secondly, employee morale. Downsizing can negatively impact employee morale, leading to lower productivity and engagement among the remaining staff. It may also strain labour relations further, particularly in light of Boeing's ongoing dispute with the Machinists Union. Poor morale could lead to more labour disruptions or reduced workforce efficiency in the long term. Thirdly, brand image and trust. The downsizing may also damage Boeing's reputation with customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders. A perceived instability in operation or labour relations could cause some customers to shift orders to competitors, further impacting revenue. In conclusion, while the downsizing may provide immediate financial relief, its long-term sustainability hinges on how Boeing manages its workforce, resolves labour disputes, and navigates the economic challenges posed by production delays. If downsizing is not accompanied by a broader strategic plan, it could hinder the company's ability to recover and grow in the future.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.